This video series aims to make your charging experience as easy as possible on the most popular public networks. In this video, we'll show you how to charge on a Circle K Couche Tard Level 3 station with your preferred app. We're at a charging station in Lancaster, Ontario. Circle K operates Level 3 fast charging stations at its convenience store locations across Canada and the US. To start charging, open your preferred app and find the location you want to charge at. Select the station ID that matches the one on the station and proceed with the steps in the app to activate the station. You should see visual feedback on the station that it has received your request to charge. Then plug the correct connector in your car. Circle K Couche Tard Level 3 stations typically have a CCS connector and may have a ChargeHub connector as well. It could take several seconds for the charge to begin. Your app may only receive session updates with some delay. To stop the charge, you must first